So my name's Al McDonald. I'm a director with MDH, which is a privately owned and family operated company in Queensland, Australia. MDH, as it stands today, operates 12 cattle properties, covering a total land area of 3.5 million hectares. We operate 150,000 head of cattle. There's very little natural water on the ground, so nearly all the water for the stock is man-made. In aircraft alone, at 500 hours, we work on approximately $200 an hour to run these machines. That's close enough to $100,000 just in the aircraft, and then 5 full-time staff with all their expenses and vehicles with registration. So $500,000 a year would be fairly safe estimation. We've been very impressed with both the photo quality that the drone produces, as well as its ability to fly the waters on fully automated flight, and it has a huge potential for us.